Yo, what's up, my gamers? Part 2. What? How is this possible? Look, didn't open up properly. Alright guys, welcome back to part 2 Electric Boogaloo, alright gamers? Anyway, today we're gonna work on the office, or the room in this case. It's gonna be kind of hard, but I'm gonna try to walk you through what's going on. So in the last episode, we made the main menu. Hang on. Okay, Okay, so we made the main menu. It looks pretty good. And next we're gonna work on the office. So first thing we're gonna make is the flashlight. So make a new sprite. Call it flashlight. Alright. That's not how you spell light, but I'm not gonna fix it. So I made a sprite, a flashlight. It rhymes, but it looks pretty cool. So we're gonna add that. Looks like that. And what we're going to do for this is when the flag is clicked, go to 0, 0, hide. When I receive game start, forever, add an if else and an if else inside of an if else. I'm going to do if the more than sign, if mouse X is more than 80, we're going to do glide 0.2 seconds to 120 and 0. And if mouse X is less than negative 80, we're going to glide 0.2 seconds to negative 120. And else glide 0.2 seconds to 0. Okay, this will give a pretty nice effect when you're doing the flashlight, and I'll show you it in a minute. Okay, so, all right. Now, what we're going to do is when I receive, make a new message, call it main room. I'm going to do wait 1 second and show. We're going to do the same thing for new message, call it right door. New message left door. New message, call it bed and closet. Okay. Then what we're going to do is when I receive game start, show, and when I receive new message, call it game win, we're going to stop other scripts in sprite and wait 2 seconds and hide. Okay, that's all you need in this sprite, I believe. Now for the fun part. Let's make the room. Make a new sprite, call it room. I'm going to import the sprite. Here's what I made here. I think it looks pretty good. I mean, I have to say. It's gonna like lag out your computer if you're doing this on like a Chromebook or something, but alright, we got the room, and we want this to go to the back layer. So if we try the flashlight, you can see it goes around with your mouse, and it doesn't look good because the room isn't doing it as well. So that's what we're gonna fix right now. All right, code for the room okay. When the flag is clicked, go to 00, set room, make a new variable, call it room, set room to main, and hide. Okay. Then, what we're gonna do is when I receive bed, wait 0 seconds. I mean 1 second. Am I dumb? Yes. I can't talk. Okay, so when I receive bed, wait 1 second and hide. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say. All right, and when I receive game start, uh, game start, show forever, and I have like this ambient sound. Ambience. There we go. Have this like ambient kind of spooky kind of sound. Play this until it's done. Okay. And when I receive, so we're gonna duplicate this. When I receive closet, when I receive left door, and right door. And then when I receive main room, wait 1 second, show and set room to main. Okay. Then what we're gonna do is when I receive game start, forever, if else, inside of an if else, add the greater than sign. If mouse X is greater than 80, glide 0.2 seconds to negative 72 y1 0. What is 0? Okay. And then what we're going to do is do the less than sign if mouse X is less than negative 80, glide 0.2 seconds to positive 72, else to 00. Okay, is that good? Clear? Yes? Good. Okie dokie. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So then what we're gonna do is add all the inputs, right? So we're gonna do when I receive or when this sprite is clicked. Well, actually, really, we should just test it first, see if it works. Okay, because I'm getting ahead of myself. I'll also always make sure to save it. There we go. That looks really good, in my opinion. All right, this is the closest thing I can get to the actual Finance of Freddy's 4. Good. All right, then. Now, here's what we're gonna do: is when this sprite is clicked, if we're gonna do and in the greater sign and less than sign. We're gonna do mouse X, mouse down. So here's what this looks like. If mouse down and mouse X is greater than -50 and mouse X is less than +50, broadcast closet. Okay. So you click in the middle of the room in a broadcast closet, and then you'll run to the closet, and yeah, everything's good. Well, also make sure to put a blackness behind the room, so when you click it, you're actually clicking the sprite. Okay, and we're gonna do that for the right door and left door. So if mouse down and mouse X is less than -120, we're going to broadcast left door. Okay. And the opposite for the right door, +20. You get the picture? Okay. So this is all the inputs. You click to the left, you go to the left door, click to the right, you go to the right door. I had to go through a lot of stuff to try to make this work properly, and it seems to be working properly. Okay. Now, just for saving time in the future, well, I'm gonna make a door animation for the closet. So when the little guy comes into the closet, he gonna make a little animation here of the door just kind of moving, so like this. Something like that. Okay, and what we're going to do is when I receive new message, call it door animation, we're going to switch to costume 5, wait 0.05 seconds, switch to the next frame of the animation, to the next, then do the next. Okay, so this will look like here. Hang on. It's hard to pause it at the same time. Okay, I'm just gonna hide the flashlight right now so you can see it. Okay, here's the room. If we do the door animation, little door slides like that. Okay. I actually switched the first costume. And I'm just gonna add all of this back. Alright, so it'll play with the door animation and we'll broadcast the door animation when it's needed. Okay. And yeah. Okay. And now we're gonna make the door to the right. So we're gonna call it door right. I think that's everything we need for this one, right? Not making some horrible mistake here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Okay. So, door right. I'm going to import the sprite here. And for the animation for the door, it's pretty simple. Just we're going to start it out. This isn't a closed position, so we're going to start it. This. Move it closer. Closer. I mean, actually, five costumes is all you really need. So I'm just gonna shorten the animation here a little bit. Adjust it. Okay. Now, and you gotta add some darkness to hide up my bad art. So if you're not good at drawing, just put this all over the place so it kind of blurs it out. There we go. Got that. So the code for this one is actually pretty straightforward. And what we're gonna do is when the flag is clicked, go to 0, 0. Okay, hide. When I receive main room, switch to costume 1, wait 1 second, and hide. And when the sprite is clicked, repeat until not mouse down. Switch to costume 1, repeat 4 times. Next costume, switch to costume 5, and then make a new variable called right door. Set right door to closed, and then wait until not mouse down. and then switch to costume 5 when it's not the mouse down. Switch to costume 4, make a little minus sign. Repeat, next costume, switch to costume number -1, switch to costume 1, and set right door to open. Now, if you want to put sounds here, what you want to do is put it here and here. You can have like the door creak sound, I think. You can like put this door creak too, and like reverse it. And then you can get like the door closing sound. Start sound door closing right here. So let's test it. Alright, that's pretty good. Don't worry about it being all weird like this. So then do when I receive right door. Wait 1 second. Show, and then set room to right. Okay, now we can test this out in here. Click on the right door. Wait 1 second. Hang on. Just right here. Oh shoot! I didn't even. It's supposed to be right door here. On here, on the okay. It had right door and left door. This is supposed to be right door. So if you click on it now, now you got the right door. Perfect. And you can't get back. So yeah, we're gonna have to fix that soon. Now we're gonna make the door left. We gotta make the left door. It's really the exact same thing as the right door. And honestly, you can just duplicate it. Call it door left, and then do when I receive door left door. When I see left door, set room to left, and then make sure the costumes are all reversed. Alright, the costumes are all adjusted. And then just make a new variable, call it left door, and set it all to left door. Okay, so then if we go click on this one, it'll bring us to the left door. Close it and open it and, do all sorts of things with doors. All right. Now, we need a way to, get back from the doors and such. So, this is how it's gonna go. First we're gonna make the closet and the bed, and it's really the same, same kind of principle. The bed, we're gonna make a new sprite, call it bed, and we're gonna get the bed sprite. And for the bed code, it's pretty simple. It's when the flag is clicked, go to 0, 0, hide. When I receive bed, wait 1 second, show, and set room to bed. Then when I receive main room, wait 1 second, and hide. That's the bed code right now. And the closet is basically kind of like the door. So we're going to make the new sprite, call it closet, and get the sprite for that. And the closet has the same code as the doors, kind of basically. So here's what it is. When I receive, it can hide now. So yeah, obviously when flag is clicked, go to 0, 0, hide. When I receive main room, switch to costume 1, set closet door. I'll make a new variable, call it closet door. Set closet door to open. Wait 1 second, hide, and stop other scripts in sprite. Then what we're going to do is when I receive closet, wait 1 second, set room to closet. Set room to closet, show forever if we're going to do a if, just one big if statement. If the room equals closet, the room equals closet, repeat until not mouse down. Switch to costume 1 and make a little animation for the closet. You need 4 frames for this one. Okay, closet closes. So we need switch costume 1, repeat three times. Go to next costume and switch to costume 4. Set closet door to closed and wait until not mouse down. And switch to costume 4. Oh, switch to costume 4. Repeat 3 times. Switch to costume -1. Costume number. Switch to costume 1. Set closet door to open and wait until mouse down. Okay, that's all the code we need for right now. If we test this out, we could actually go to the closet, and here it is. You can close it, open it, close it. You have to hold it down to close it, so works very nice. All right. Now, here's what's interesting. We gotta make the room. So we're gonna call it Mini Sprite. Call it room button, and what it's gonna look like is basically a tiny transparent box, like right here. It's gonna be barely 1% transparency, and it's gonna be the code for it is gonna be when flag is clicked, go to 0, hide when I receive game start, show, and then when I receive game start, what did I just do? When I receive game start, forever, it's gonna be a really big forever thing, but here we go, forever. If the room someone just text me again now. If the room equals main, without a capital, broadcast bed, and then wait until not touching mouse pointer. And then wrap that in a if statement. If touching mouse pointer, then what you're going to do is if the room equals bed, it's all without. That one was with. The room equals bed, broadcast, main room, and then if the room equals right, broadcast main room, then if the room equals left, is it with that? Though these are both with capitals. And then if the room equals closet as well. Yeah. All right. I think we're ready to give this a shot. Let's see here. If we go to this door, we go to the door, and if we go back to the main room. Same thing with this door, go back to the main room, and if we do it in the main room, we go to the bed, and if we do it at the bed, it goes to the main room. If we go to the closet, it goes to the closet. If we go to the main room, okay, perfect. That actually worked first try, and I'm very happy about that. Okay, so now we're gonna make running. It's a new sprite. We're gonna call it. It's gonna be just a black thing because I'm too lazy to make animations that show you actually running. So here's what it's gonna be. When flag is clicked, go to 0, hide, and when I receive new message, call it run. I'm gonna import some run sound effects. Import these 3 run sound effects, and it's going to pick random. So we're going to do if new variable, call it run sound. If run sound equals 1, start sound run 1, 2, 2, and 3 is 3. I can't hear it. There we go. Yeah, okay. So, yeah. And here's what we're going to do. So when I receive left door, set ghost effect to 100. Set ghost effect to 100. Show set run sound to pick random 1 through 3. Repeat 20 times. Change ghost effect by -5. Wait 0.5 seconds. Repeat ghost effect by +5. Set ghost effect to 0 and hide. So we have like a little black in, black out situation here. And it looks pretty good. Okie dokie. That looks good. And what we're going to do is repeat this for everything else. So left door, right door, main room, closet, and bed. So let's give this a shot here. So in the room, if we click somewhere, For some reason the sounds aren't playing. I don't know why. But yeah, this also needs to go into the front layer. So it fades out, go to the next place. It looks good. Oh yeah, I'm an idiot. You need to actually broadcast the run to each one. I'm actually dumb. Yeah, you gotta go like this. Okay, so this is the code you need. When you go somewhere, it plays the run sound. When you go back, it plays it back. Great. That's good. That's really good. Okay, save it. Now really the only thing that's missing is like the lights and the doors, the actual hallways. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna make a new sprite. We're gonna call it hall right lights. Okay. Basically, it's just gonna be a big black box once again. Code for this is gonna be go to 0, hide, set right light to off, and we're gonna do when I receive right door forever, if else, if key F is pressed, hide set right light to on, else show set right light to off. Okay, that's what you need. And then do when I receive main room, wait 1 second, stop other scripts in sprite, and hide. Then when I receive right door, wait 1 second, and show. Okay, that's all you need for this one. You can duplicate this for the left light, and make sure it's all on. Make a new variable for the left light. Set left light to off, on, left light, left. Set it to left door instead, and left door. Okay. Now is the hallways, which again are pretty straightforward. So we're going to make hall right, new sprite, call it right, and make it the sprite for this one. Basically just this. And the code for this is when I receive right door, when I receive right door, where is it? When I receive right door, wait 1 second, show when I receive main room, wait 1 second, and hide. And then obviously when the flag is clicked, go to 0, hide, That's all I need for this one. Duplicate it for the left. Call it left hall. I have the different sprite for this. We're going to delete that. Hall left. And then just copy and paste the flashlight sprite onto it. So it looks like you're like looking down the flashlight. Okay. Just test that out. You need to make sure you get it onto the right layers and everything. So you go here. Oh, that's right. I didn't even. So the left hall needs to be here. Left door. Go to the back layer for both. And go to the room. This hall, the lights need to. Okay, so here it is. The lights need to go to the back layer. And then the halls need to go to the back layer. Make sure the flashlight hides. Wow, look at this. Make sure it hides when you go to all the different rooms. So let's try this out here. Go to the left door, look down the hallway, close the door, go to the right door, down the hallway, and yeah, perfect. Now the closet and the bed, obviously. So closet, make a new sprite, call it closet 2. Have a sprite for this as well. The sprite here, and this is pretty simple. Go to 0, 0, hide. When I receive main room, wait 1 second, hide, and then when I receive closet, wait 1 second and show. Okay, you need this. Go to the back layer, but after we create the light. So the closet light is going to be basically the same as the hall lights. We're going to make a new sprite, call it closet light, and it's basically going to be a black thing like this, and basically put it for 39% opacity. And then get the flashlight sprite, duplicate that, and have that for the next sprite, and have the back layer to be 39%. percent opacity as well. And obviously I'm going to make it bigger, so not that big. Something like that. All right. Now, for code for this one, it's going to be when it's really basically the same code for the hall lights, but flag is clicked, go to 0, 0, switch to costume 1, hide. When I receive closet, wait 1 second, show. When I receive main room, wait 1 second, hide, and stop other scripts and sprite. And then when I receive closet, forever, if else, F keys press, switch to costume 2, else 1, and make this go to the back layer, and then go to closet 2 and make that go to the back layer, because so it doesn't screw with the layers, you know. So go to the closet. Hang on. Closet light, I think it's supposed to be. Oh. Okay, that looks a lot better. Yeah, make sure the closet light is set to black. Okay, good. That's all working nicely. Last thing is the bed light. So when you go to the bed, you know, it looks like that. So last sprite of the day, bed light. Basically, you want to make a new sprite, call it bed light. You want costume 2 to be a big flashlight, like that, and you want costume 1 to be like a black, and then maybe like something like this, and then have a black one on top. So you can like kind of slightly see the bed, but not really. Right? Good. Now this one is pretty simple as well. It's just when I receive bed, you show it, and sprites clicked, hide. Then when I receive main room, show. No, it's not. What am I doing? It's wait 1 second, stop other scripts and sprite, and hide. And then when I receive bed, you show. Okay. And then when I receive bed again, forever, if else, F key is pressed, set new variable, call it bed light, set bed light to on, switch to costume 2, else off, switch to costume 1. And so you go like that. You can search the bed like that. Go back. I don't know why the room automatically disappears. That's press. That's it. I mean, I want the bed light to wait 1 second to show. I think. Yeah, there you go. All right, you wait 1 second to show. All right, so that's it. Make sure to hide all the variables so you're not clogging all your screens. And yeah, that's basically the room done. Like, yeah, that looks good. So that's the room. Episode 2 is in the bag. I don't know when I'll make episode 3. I mean, I recorded this the same day on episode of episode 1, so I just did a lot today. But yeah, subscribe. Stay tuned for episode 3. We'll probably be diving into the animatronics, and that's like probably the worst part of this entire game. But yeah, stay tuned. Leave all your games on my Scratch account. I'll probably give them a play. And yeah, like, comment. If you have any issues, just tell me on the comments or on my Scratch or something. But yeah, follow me on Scratch, Game Jolt, all that stuff. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Cheers.